Did you know that working on Porsches and paintless dent repair is not too bad because the headlights come out so easy? Lots of delicate stuff in there, but it's wide open. So I use my swivel base on the steel and really get some power. I attach my 35 light duty to it, and there you go. Excellent setup for an off-dolly setup where you put pressure behind the dent and you gently tap the crowns at the same time. Ideal for working paintless dent repair with speed and efficiency. Well, thanks for watching. This is Sal from dentdial.com with the 35 light duty up inside a Porsche fender.